everyone. So I'm gonna try each week or every other week to cook something Croatian, particularly cakes. So this week I'm gonna start really simple and really easy because we have a Dalmatian barbecue this weekend we're going to. So I thought I would make something delicious. Which is in a lot of Croatian cakes. Flour, sugar, egg, butter, vanilla sugar, salt. I'll document this so you can see how I go. You know, I'm from Hawaii, but I'm a Hrvatica through marriage, so I'm really trying to embrace that Croatian culture and make some Croatian cakes. And I'm going to now take it out and shake it into